Hello everyone, Lightning Sky here. So basically you got a Java edition and you want to set it up properly. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that exactly. By going through FPS boosting tips, shader packs, resource packs, how to change your skin, and cool things like hotkeys. This video is the right video for you. Now let's get started. So firstly, you may want to install FPS boosters like Optifine. Now just a quick disclaimer, Optifine isn't the best one, but it is the most popular one and it works really well. So what you want to go do is go to optifine.net/downloads. I'll leave the link in the description below, and click on the version of Optifine you want to download. So basically, this is all for 1.16.5. So you want to go for that if you're playing that version of Minecraft. Then you press mirror, click that link, just wait for it and download. While you're waiting for it to download, if you haven't downloaded any mod yet, you want to install Java. So Java is like a program that runs basically all Minecraft mods. I'm going to go agree and start free download at this link that will also be in the description below. And also it'll say, do you want this type of file can harm your computer? Yes. Do keep. It is completely safe. So after you have installed Java, you double click it, wait for it to open up, press yes. After you double click Java, this should come up. Then you press install and just let it do its thing. After it's been installed, you have successfully installed Java. That should come up. Then you can just close it and go back to your Optifine download and press show in folder. And then you want to right click that and right click it and press open with and press this Java platform. And also you may as well click always use this app to open jar files. After you've done that, you press install and it should come up with something like you have installed Optifine. Now it is all done and you can go into your Minecraft launcher and go into installations and select Optifine. Now I'll leave some links down the description below of other FPS boosters. Some good ones are Fabric, which is sodium, and Luna Client, but I feel like Optifine works the best for me. Now one step further you could go is press on these three dots on the installation of Optifine, press edit. So now you're going to press more options and this should come up. The first part of this is the most important part, the XMX and then the number and then G. So these two digits are what indicate how much RAM you're allocating to Minecraft. So basically, how much of your memory is getting put into Minecraft. Now, of course, you don't want to put too less and you don't want to put too much. So anything more than 5 gig is too much because Minecraft won't actually use that much RAM. So 3 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes is really good for most people. I do with 4 because I've got 16 gigs of RAM. If you've got less than 4 gigabytes of RAM on your computer, then you should stick with 2G. If you've got 8 or 16 or any above, you could try out 3 to 4 gigs. Then just press save and you go into Optifine. You select Optifine and just press play. Okay, just to show you how much of a difference all those FPS boosting tricks that I've shown you makes, is I'm going to go into just plain non-modded Minecraft and show you the FPS for that and show you the FPS for what I'm getting in Optifine currently. Okay, so if you look at the top left corner, you can see the FPS. So this is plain Minecraft with a i7 core of Intel, which is pretty good, you know. I am getting a harsh less than 20 FPS. And this is with really, really low Minecraft settings. I'll dig into that a bit later though. Now the FPS for Optifine. Okay, as you can see right now, I am hitting around about an average of 35 FPS. Oh no, I would say an average of 30 FPS, which is 3 times better than before. Now, obviously, I could increase my RAM allocation to like 5, 6, which will make it even better as more I go up. But yeah, as you can see, Optifine makes a huge difference. And a hidden feature in Optifine, if you press Control, yeah, there you go, you can zoom in. So now on to my next tips, and that is going to be in-game settings. So just press Escape and press Options, then you go to Video Settings, and if you want to get the most FPS and performance out of Minecraft Java Edition, here are the settings. Graphics fast. This is really, really important. Smooth lighting minimum. GUI scale. This makes no difference, but basically what it is how big your like user interface is. I like to keep mine at a good 5. I mean a good 6, because that's a good balance. Brightness doesn't matter. Dynamic lighting, take that off. Render distance, this does matter quite a lot. Now, anything lower than 4 chunks really doesn't look good. But obviously, if it's too laggy, you can make it a little bit lower. But 4 to 8 chunks is a good render distance. Make the max frame rate unlimited. This will make the frame rate be as high as it can possibly be. Entity shadows off. Attack indicator. This doesn't matter. Then you go into details. This doesn't matter a bit. Clouds off. Trees fast. Sky off. Sun and moon off. Fog off. Basically everything is fast or off. Just look over here. I mean, I could even turn this off. Cloud height off because there's no cloud. And yeah, Biome Blend. Make this off or 3 times 3. Basically, this is when there's 2 different biomes, how well it'll blend it. Let me just go quickly find an example. Here's a good example. As you can see, this is plains biome, and this is a bit like ocean plains, I guess I could call it. So look how this is like a bit light, this grass, and this is really vibrant. So if I were to take the Biome Blend to 5x5, it's actually blending, so there's not like a significant line. But this does kind of affect your FPS, so you might want to turn that off. Then you're pretty much done from the details part. You can go into performance, just look at these settings, just copy them onto your Minecraft. And all of these, just copy those as well. They shouldn't really matter, but yeah, just copy them in. And all of this as well. I could probably turn these on for the sake of the video only though. Lagometer, what is that? I am still learning a bit about Java. Alright, done. And now that should be it for your in-game settings. Now let's go on to installing shaders. So if you have Optifine like I do and you're actually using it, you can just go into Options, Video Settings, Shaders, and press this download button icon. What this will do, it'll take you to a link with really, really good shaders. So what this is FPS class. Potato is the lowest setting, and then you got Extreme, which is like insanely hard on your PC. Then just got like different links to it. Because I haven't really got a good gaming computer, I use this Chocopix 13 high performance shader. I'll just show you what it's like, and then I can show you how to install it. Okay, so this is the shader, and it's only laggy because I am like so far up in the sky. Now, this does impact the game. I mean, a bit, but I can run it. And it's got really nice shades, so if you've got even the worst of the worst graphics card, this shader will be great for you. So now on how to install these. Okay, so installing a shader in Minecraft Java is really simple. So you basically can find any of the shaders. You can even search it up on Google, just Minecraft just shaders for Minecraft Java. And just use any of these results. I'm going to go from this list because they have some really good ones. This is, for example, a really nice and simple and calming shader. So I would click the link or search it up, just so we can do it for just so you guys can do it for any shader. I'm just going to search up this shader, and this is the correct website. Then from there, I can go on downloads, and I reckon I'm just going to go for here. So basically, even though this website might be specific for specific shaders, the main thing should be, in the end, you should download a shader, most likely from Mediafire, because they're really safe, and press download, and it should be a zip file, nothing else, a .zip file. So once you've downloaded this, press show in folder. So now this is all my downloads at least, and I can go back in Minecraft. This is Optifine Minecraft right here. Press into options, video settings, shaders. Then you want to press on the thing saying shaders folder. This is where all your Minecraft shaders are stored. So now you want to open up the location of where you downloaded the shader. Drag that shader from here, which is my downloads, into this folder which got opened after you pressed shaders folder in Minecraft. Now when you click off it, that shader should be here. So we just put in the enhanced default. So now that I click on that and press done, that shader is installed. So I'm just going to go to single player, shader test, and now that because I've selected it, that shader is running and active. Alrighty, so this is the shader, and it might not be a massive difference, but this looks so much better than before. So yeah, it is as simple as that. Now to turn off the shaders, you go to the same place, so options, video settings, and shaders. Then you can just press off. It is really simple. Okay, now to install servers. So if you got Java, I know everyone wants to play in Hypixel. So what you do is you press on multiplayer. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna delete Hypixel from my server list. Delete, and then press and start from scratch. So basically, what you do is you press add server. Then you can make the server name whatever you like, or I always name my server as the actual name of the server, just to make it easy to remember. Hypixel. Then for the server address, this is where you've got to go into Google again, or any browser, and search in Hypixel server address. I can't spell. It's mc.hypixel.net. So you type that in, word to word, mc.hypixel.net. Then press done. After that, you press this play button, and eventually you will join it. Just wait. There you go. Hypixel. There, yep. It's good and working. Nice. And just if you want some FPS stuff, I'm hitting 24 FPS right now, which I've hit better FPS than that. But it's not bad. It's not lag. I mean, it is laggy, but it works. And it works good. So that is not a problem. Next up, what we are going to do is add some resource packs. Okay, so for installing resource packs, I like to go into Planet Minecraft. This has a ton of great resource packs. Let's just go for this random one. No traditional bows. We're going to go into that, click on it, download. You'll eventually have to just follow some instructions, and you'll eventually get to probably get the download or get to media file, which will give you the download. After this has been downloaded, you can go after the resource pack you chose has been downloaded, you can go to show in folder. Now what that should do is show that downloaded resource pack in the folder. Now when you're in Minecraft, what you do is you go into options, resource packs, and press open pack folder. Now you can drag this aside and open your resource pack that you just downloaded in files and drag that into the folder that you opened in Minecraft. This is really similar to the shader pack, the way that you install shaders, and that is because it is. Then you hover over that shader and you press the play button. Then that should be selected and you can press done. Eventually after a bit, you should be placed back into the screen. Now, okay, I just downloaded another resource pack to show that this works. So, open in folder like before, working on it. Then I go into my resource packs folder that I've opened up in Minecraft, drag that in here, close all this. Then I can go here and just wait for it. Now that appears over here, it's gonna press play on this, press done, and just wait for Minecraft to work and do its thing, and press done. So this was a plastic texture pack, and now look, everything looks plasticky. So last tip of the day, and this is actually kind of growing on me. Yeah, as I was saying, last tip of the day would be to show you how to install some skins. So you want to go to Minecraft and open up Minecraft Launcher. That's you want to head over to Minecraft skins. So just type that up in your search bar, and the first link should be the skin deck. Press that link. Now this has a ton of skins. I'm just going to search up maybe some lightning skins, lightning scar skins, lightning skins, because lightning scar, my channel. Which one do I like? No, I need a bluish skin. As you can get, there are tons of options. This looks really nice, this RGB vibe coming through. I might actually stick with that one, the RGB one. It looks really, really good. So now that you've clicked on the link and you found a skin that you like, you just press download. Yeah, it is really that easy. So this downloads into my download folder, so I know where it is. Make sure you know where the skin downloads. Then, when you're at your Minecraft launcher, you want to head over the top where it says play and installations. Then you want to keep on going until you find skins. You click on that, then you press new skin. You can name the skin. I'm gonna name it Lightning Scar because it's my channel skin, I guess. Then I'm gonna find my skin where it's got downloaded. I go download over here. Click on that, and there you go. The skin's right there. Press save and use. Applying skin. Now I'm gonna head over to Minecraft and just look at me. Yep, there you go. The skin's loaded in, and from the boring old Steve skin I have this insanely good looking Lightning Sky skin. Hold up. Let me just show you the back. Yep. Beautiful. So last but not least, the hotkey. So what this is basically specific keys that you press for that do specific custom things. So what you want to do is you want to go to options and then press controls. From here, most of the keys are really good, but I have changed a couple of things and you may want to as well. For example, advancement was used to be L, right? This is a weird L, I know, but this is a L. And from L, I changed it to C because, instead of going from all the way to L, which is on the other side of the keyboard, C is nearby. Same with toggle full screen. It used to be F11, which is also really far down the keyboard. So what you do is you can click on the thing that you want to change, and then on the keyboard, press the new key for that option. So I want to do F4 for toggle full screen, so I pressed F4 on my keyboard. That changes less like so. Another thing that I've changed is sprint is control, but for those of you using Optifine, control becomes like the zoom key. So I've changed it from control to R, and R is a really good key because it's really close to W, and you can use I use my middle finger for W, so you can use your first finger to press R while sprinting. You can change any of these by just pressing that specific option and clicking a key on the keyboard that you want to use for that option. Example, G for close inventory. And if you want to reset it, you can just press the reset button. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. And this is all from Lightning Scar in this video. See you.